Among the videos I was browsing on social media, this scene caught my attention. It has signs that are worth a detailed analysis. Today we will examine it together. Here, in the middle of a dangerous path, a mother carries her children one by one through a narrow mountain pass. This simple passage shows that hardships are normal for them. Nothing stops them. And here is the real meaning of teething a child. Sometimes this simple piece of bread is the only way a mother can provide security to her children, without saying a word. Here, every scene is a lesson in life, and every movement is a sign of survival.